Welcome. We're thrilled to discuss how we can help you achieve YouTube success. Our team specializes in digital marketing and SEO, and we're eager to put our expertise to work for you. In this meeting, we'll outline a tailored strategy to boost your YouTube presence and reach your specific goals. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or boosting sales, we'll develop a roadmap for success. We believe in open communication and collaboration, so feel free to ask questions and share your thoughts throughout the meeting. Let's work together to make your YouTube channel a powerful asset for your business. To create a winning strategy, we need to understand your vision, goals, and target audience. Tell us about your business, your aspirations for your YouTube channel, and the people you want to reach. Understanding your target audience is crucial for crafting engaging content that resonates with the right viewers. We'll delve into their demographics, interests, and online behavior to tailor our approach. By analyzing your competitors, we can identify opportunities to differentiate your channel and stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. We'll examine their content, engagement strategies, and overall performance. Based on your goals and target audience, we'll develop a comprehensive digital marketing roadmap to maximize your YouTube channel's reach and impact. Content is king, and we'll create a content strategy that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. We'll brainstorm engaging video ideas, optimize your content for search, and establish a consistent posting schedule. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your YouTube channel and expanding your reach. We'll leverage platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to drive traffic to your videos and engage with your audience. Section 4. YouTube Domination SEO Tactics for Success. To dominate YouTube search results and attract more organic viewers, we'll implement proven SEO tactics. Keyword research is crucial for understanding what your target audience is searching for on YouTube. We'll optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve your search ranking and visibility. Compelling thumbnails are essential for grabbing attention and enticing viewers to click on your videos. We'll create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your content and entice clicks. By optimizing your channel for SEO, we'll ensure that your target audience can easily find your videos and engage with your brand. Section 5. Call to action: converting viewers into customers. Don't let your viewers slip away. We'll incorporate clear and compelling calls to action, or CTAs, into your videos to drive conversions and achieve your business objectives. Whether it's encouraging viewers to subscribe to your channel, visit your website, or make a purchase, we'll strategically place CTAs to maximize their impact. We'll track the performance of your CTAs and make adjustments as needed to ensure they're driving the desired results. By turning viewers into subscribers, leads, and customers, we'll help you achieve a positive return on your YouTube marketing investment. Section 6. Measuring success analytics and next steps. We believe in data-driven decision-making, and we'll closely monitor your channel's performance using YouTube analytics and other relevant tools. We'll track key metrics such as views, watch time, engagement, and conversions to gauge the effectiveness of our strategy and identify areas for improvement. Based on the data, we'll refine our approach and ensure that your YouTube channel continues to grow and thrive. This meeting is just the beginning of our journey together. We'll schedule regular follow-up meetings to review progress, discuss any challenges, and make necessary adjustments to our strategy.